In this session of Solidworks, we'll talk about part drawing, and specifically we'll concentrate on lofted boss base, which is your fourth option in features, lofted boss base. Now to attempt this, you need to have multi profiles that can be drawn with an offset distances. So that we'll see, and how to create different planes. We'll see how to create different profiles, followed by how to use the option. Fine, I'll try to place all the planes on the screen. Now with respect to this particular front plane, I'll create some 3 different planes with some offset distances. That can be done by going through geometrical references, plane, and I'll consider this as the plane. I'll flip the direction. Okay, first plane I want at a distance of 150 mm, which is already set. I'll say okay. And again, second plane, maybe with respect to the existing or new one, maybe at a distance of 100 mm. Okay, if you want further, you can create few more. Why we are creating planes, we'll see now. This is how we have created 2 more planes other than the existing front, top and right. And each and every plane will try to draw circles with different dimensions, and we'll try to loft it. Means we'll ask this option, what the lofted option will do is, it will take the material accordingly. I'll consider this front plane sketcher, and I'll try to draw a circle of maybe 50 mm. Okay, I'll just exit sketch mode. Again, at a 150 distance, I'll consider this as a sketch, and again keep it normal. I'll consider one more circle of diameter. We'll set the diameter to 20. Okay, exit. Once your work is done on a plane, you can exit. Okay, similarly the third plane, I'll go with a circle, and again here I'll try to draw one more circle of diameter 60. Okay, I have drawn 3 different circles of 3 different dimensions on 3 different planes. I'll exit. Okay, that you could see when you place it isometrically. Now material will be added with respect to all the 3 circles. Okay, that can be done by using lofted boss base option. I'll click on lofted boss base and selection 1 in the same window, same blue window, selection number 2, selection number 3. Have a look at the component. This is how the component will look like. Okay, now if you change this green knob, you can change the profile shape. For example, if I shift this to here, it will be twisted. Okay, complete thing will get twisted. I just turn off the planes once to have a better effect. Have a look. Now it got twisted. I'll just position this again back. Okay, that can be done. Check it out. You can move the green knob and check out how does it look like. Okay, the shape can be changed at any point of time. Okay, it is not compulsory that you need to draw all circles. You can draw one circle, one rectangle and one more circle, where you need to divide your circle, whatever you have drawn, into 4 different segments. Okay, or else you need to fix this particular, you need to shift this green knob so that it will take its position. Okay, or else one more option is, in between, for example, from this profile, close profile to next circle profile, you can draw a path. Means you can draw a line passing through both the circles. Okay, and take this as guide curve, whatever you have drawn as guide curve. Now the material will be added this way. Okay, whatever the profile you have drawn, this is how we'll create, and they'll say okay, this is how you will get a component. Okay, again we can use shell here. I'll consider shell as the option, and I'll maintain a thickness of 3 mm on the top. I'll say okay. Have a look. This is how component. There is no material inside now. I can use this option like section view, and I'll change the plane. Have a look. Internally there is no material. It is maintaining a thickness of 3 mm all around. Fine. You could see in a section. Fine. is possible. This is how we'll do. Fine, this is how we'll use lofted boss base. You can create multi sections, multi planes, and in between multi profiles also you can draw a trajectory which is passing through, which is touching all the profiles to use the next window in lofted boss base. Okay, this is all for now. This is about lofted boss base. If you have anything to ask related to lofted, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you for now.